SmartLace Lite is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. Not only it's ready to wear lace front extends from ear to ear and makes it great for styling your hair back off your face, but also the slip of silicone in the nape secures the wig in place so you can pull the hair up off your neck into a ponytail. To show you how I created this ponytail using a SmartLace Lite wig, I first will apply adhesive to the lace front area and then apply it to my head. Once I'm ready, I'll use a wide tooth comb to gently brush my hair back into the desired height for my ponytail. Today, I'd like to go up to here. With my hair gathered in a ponytail, I'll pick up a hair tie with my other hand and then secure the gathered hair in my hair tie. To soften the look around my hairline, I'll pull out a few pieces of hair. Smooth out any loose hair and finish with Fiber Love holding spray. One of my favorite things about the SmartLace Lite cap is that it allows you to create a ponytail easily. What's your favorite part?